Natural treatment for snoring.
Snoring is a common issue for most people. It not only affects the health and sleep quality of the person who snores, but also of those who share the same bed. According to health experts, snoring is normally attributed to excess mucus. So, this indicates that if you eliminate the excess mucus from your airways, you can easily do away with snoring. This homemade juice is highly beneficial for eliminating excess mucus, the main culprit for snoring. Ingredients: 1/4 lemon, 1 piece of ginger, 2 apples, 2 carrots, ½ cup of water. Use a high-speed food processor to mix all the ingredients until well blended. Drink this always freshly made about a couple of hours before bedtime. Aside from taking this homemade anti-snoring juice, you should also avoid processed foods and drink alcohol, fried foods, chocolates and foods that are hard to digest. In a matter of days, you'll feel your airways cleared of excess mucus and your sleep quality significantly improved.
If you like the video, please subscribe. Please visit our website, homeremedies9.com.